Picked up a new tech toy today. This is the DOS keyboard, Professional Model S. This is a fully mechanical keyboard with cherry MX brown switches. I decided to give a mechanical keyboard a try over your traditional rubber dome keyboards. Generally I get about a year out of them, and I don't like the way the keys feel after a while because I do tend to do a lot of typing from time to time. So I checked out all the different models they had available, different brands. It was either between this or the Ducky brand mechanical keyboard, and I decided to go with the DOS and see how I like it. My current keyboard is a Microsoft keyboard, standard layout. It has multimedia switches, but it has just a general good layout, and it feels pretty good. So get the GoPro out and I will do a couple of soundbite comparisons between the Microsoft and the new DOS. This is a quick comparison between the DOS keyboard Professional Model S with the cherry MX brown switches compared to a standard rubber dome USB keyboard. I'm going to type a quick 30-second paragraph. That's the DOS keyboard. Microsoft Digital Media Keyboard 3000, standard rubber dome keys. We're going to type the same paragraph we typed with the DOS keyboard.